Get out of the way, you peasants!
Oh my God!
Jesus, they destroyed our boat!
If you love Jesus, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Relax Speed will get a new boat.
Jesus, I've got a plan.
Speed, this is wrong.
Sorry, Jesus. It's the only way.
I'm not going to be part of this.
I'm almost there. Finally, I got into the vault. With all this money, Ronaldo and MrBeast are going to get what they deserve.
Oh my God, he's at Speed!
Better get out of the way.